What's up, guys? Alright, now I'm in my third hotel in China. Right now I'm in Shanghai.
No, it's not Shanghai, it's Suzhou.
This is a nice hotel located in the city of China. Look at the city! Okay. Yeah, man. Listen, man, I'm about to go out. I don't want to spend too much time talking about this hotel. I just had noodles, braised meat, and vegetables. But I'm back in my hotel. I'm about to go to sleep because tomorrow I'm going to a different hotel, so I don't feel like staying up tonight. Yeah, I didn't do much though. I just got something to eat and came back to my room. Alright guys, right now I'm in the silk factory. It's where they make like real silk stuff in China. These are like some of the stuff they're showing. These are all women's though. The men's clothing, there's like, oh look at this. This is the men's pajama. Wow. Yeah, but I would show you more, but I don't feel like recording it. I mean, I would show you more, but yeah.
It's everywhere now. On the second floor, you try the robe for gentlemen. It's a long robe, dragon dress. Only 290 yuan on sale price. You can be emperor after shower.
Yes, that's perfect. In the older time, it's forbidden, but now it's okay.
Please come here. Let me show you President Obama.
Here.
Come in, please. We have beautiful dress for ladies. So many. You can feel the softness here.
Okay, so welcome to try our Grand Canal boat ride. You may transfer back to 2,000 years ago. Not good? It's a karaoke style. It's a karaoke style. So the city wall and the city gate in Suzhou very durable, still there. Very durable, very strong.
沿跟这种玩的差不多的这种围。
Big knife. You see the swoosh? Big swoosh.
What are those? What are those? Are these?
Swoosh is all.
There you go. Oh.
You know what I want to say?
See, no Chinese. You got
Yo, Pierre, you want to come on? I stop.